gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for still supporting the channel, even though I've been AFK for a while. And let me just fix my shirt. It's still a professional of it. You know, just shape up my face here. I know I've been AFK. It's been a while since I last uploaded. People have been asking me, Mark, how comes you don't upload? And all of that. No, this is the reason why I haven't been uploading for a while. So one, I just got married, yay me. Most people know already, most people don't know. I kind of keep my life personal. So if you're not a part of my WhatsApp chat or Instagram or probably Facebook, then you would know. So yes, ladies, I'm off the market. It's sweet, it's lovely. Wifey. So one, got married. Two, relocate. So yes guys, I moved from New York to Connecticut. I know it's nobody's business, but I'm just letting you guys know, you know. That is a part of the reason why I haven't been vlogging much, uploading much, talking about much topics that I used to talk about, because for the past 4 months or more I've been planning, like serious planning, working hard, saving, like real focus on getting married, moving. Well, getting married has been like a 1 year plus plan, but I've been planning a while. Focus was on moving, and you know, moving to a new state, it's totally different. A new environment is totally different. Yeah, so that was one of the reasons, or that's the 2 major reasons. No, the third reason is settling, trying to settle into Connecticut. It's not bad, it's good. It's a quiet state. I'm used to moving around. I was in Florida, then I moved to New York, and I moved to Connecticut. So I'm used to moving around. I'm like a nomad now, just moving around and stuff. So it doesn't really bother me at all, I would say, because I have friends here, I have friends in New York, I have family and friends in Florida. So yeah, it's not too bad. So the fourth is enjoying marriage, and enjoying summer at the same time, because it's summer now, you want to enjoy, somewhere you want to go, you want to spend time, your fiance, you know, your wife, your partner, everything. So you're trying to enjoy yourself and still trying to like, you know, make everything work and just enjoy yourself. So that kind of takes away from me making YouTube videos, because I'm just in the moment and just enjoying the moment and just living, get up, sleep, work, trying to enjoy summer at the same time. And yeah, so you kind of get distracted and stuff from the whole YouTube. And yeah, living life, just living in the moment. So that is the reason why I haven't been train apart. So yeah, I live close to a train track. Yeah, the train, disrespectful. The train, disrespectful. Imagine in a mid-conversation, I talk to YouTubers about the train and decide to say, yo, me I pass by now, you know. Yeah, we're not taking it out. It's not right now, big lie, guys. So yeah, that's a part right now. So if you guys see me vlogging and hear a train coming, just know. You guys probably hear how loud it is. Yeah, the train stop is like right there. I'm in an apartment. So there we go again. So I have a nice view. I'm in an apartment building, so I have a nice view of the downtown area. Yeah, train track, park, stuff like that. So a lot of amenities are here as well. So yeah guys, so going forward, so this is just an update for the channel. Hope you guys watch it. You know, oh, also look forward to my wife having her own channel named Kerry Club. I'll introduce her at a later date when she's comfortable to come on the vlog, when she feel like she's ready, if she'll ever be ready. we might have a podcast and stuff where we talk about stuff. I'm gonna get our thing set up, so I'm gonna set up her station and stuff like that. But if you're on WhatsApp or anything like that, or have my number, then you'll know what's going on in my life. Apart from that, YouTube, you guys will get some of the info. Apart from that, just look out for more videos. I have some topics I want to talk about, marriage, relationship, other stuff like that. Still see people watching the videos and they want my opinion and they want to hear what I have to say about certain topics, so I'll still make videos about that, as well as Jamaica and other topics. So guys, look out for more videos from me. I'm just settling in, just enjoying life, just living in the moment. And yeah, that's what, if you guys know. Babe, that shirt dirty, alright? The blue one, the dirty.
The blue one?
Yeah. So yeah guys, so thanks for watching JVLOGS. Catch you guys soon. I'll be making a lot of art drops. Yes, post for them. Ooh, turn the camera. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Camera flip. Flip back. Alright guys. So catch you guys later. Yeah, give the videos a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Anything you want me to talk about or anything like that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. JVLOGS, I'm out.